apparently had a free trial that I did not know about. So yeah, that was fun. This one, I think it's staying forever. I don't know. So I wanted to show you guys how I download custom content. Or try to download, because it doesn't always work. So I searched up blue and yellow, well, yellow, blue, for Belle, because those are the colors she wears in Disney movie. And I don't want that. So it's really easy, you know. That just looks weird. Guys, if this is your content, and I say it looks weird or ugly, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to hate, I'm just saying, I'm just speaking my mind. Yeah. That's pretty. I like it. Add to game. So this is how I do it. I hit add to game, and then I hit launch application. Oh, and then apparently that's new. So now we can just, that doesn't even work, so we're just gonna delete that. It doesn't work. It's gonna be bright blue thing and turquoise. Install. I have two on it. I have the Sims resource and the Exchange on Sims 3 website. Yeah, and this happens. So it tells me it's going to install. And it doesn't always work for some reason. I don't know why. Well, actually, I do know why. It's probably because I don't have this right expansion pack, or I just don't have the expansion pack. Actually, yeah. So it goes away. Right click. Yeah, so we're going to get that. That is cool. Like, I can put a face cam on too. 1 second, guys. Plus HD webcam. I got a face cam! Guys, this is like the most awesome thing ever. Like, literally the awesomest thing ever. So cool, I didn't know I could have this. I'm sorry. So weird. I'm sorry, really weird. Okay. This is so fun. And this looks like it's picking up good audio. Okay. I'm sorry, guys, I'm just so happy that I can also have a face cam, because the other one I had did not have a face cam. Well, it says webcam, but it's really a face cam. Face cam. Oh. Face cam! Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to make, I'm not actually crying. I was just trying. It's the season or whatever. I'm just trying to make good videos for you guys. I'm just trying to be a professional YouTuber, like my friends. Yeah, I know what. His name's Anthony Chiffo. His YouTube name is Anthony Chiffo. Yeah, I have one more subscriber than him. Fun-dumb videos and more. Don't check it out, please don't. I'm giving up on that one. Baby Live things. The new thing. Yeah! Jazz hands. That's not jazz hands. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just excited. You know, I got some energy in me. What's that button do? Oh, writing button. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, is it finished? So I clicked it. It's not finished yet. Not finished yet. Oh yeah, I have to click. So now let's go to Sims resource while we're doing that. Let's look. Let's look around. What do we like, guys? What do we like? We don't know. Let's see. What do we like? Let's go to the downloads of Sims 3. Let's look for more hair. I love hair. I love the hair. It's so pretty. I'm trying to grow my hair. I'm gonna try to grow my hair. Let's see. What do we want? Let's go to page 4, because I've already looked at all the other pages. Because I like XM Sugar. She's like one of the first Simmers I ever saw. Sim YouTubers I ever saw. I'll try to link her in the description. I'll try. I'm sorry. So weird. Okay. What do I like? What do I like? What do I like? What do we like, guys? What do we like? What do we like? I'm looking at myself because I'm in the corner. You probably know I'm in the corner. I'm gonna watch this video with the face cam. Oh, dang, I just said boom face cam. That was just lame. Oh. I'll do a next video. I like this. I really like this. This one. This is kind of slow because I'm not signed up for the VIP thing because it costs money. You like my top, guys? It's so pretty. You like my pants? It's pretty cool. It's comfy. I get to sit in this all day and all night and just. I didn't know it was 8:22. Whatever. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Or let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, this one. Let's do this. What? I hate this. We have to find something else to post. It's kind of warm in here. Sorry, guys. I have something in my eye. So let's get this one. I like it. It's pretty. Download. That's how I do it. I hit the download button. What the heck? Okay, let's go to the exchange now. Let's actually just go to Sims right here. Unselect that and let's just day at the races. You know what? Actually, undo that. Day at the races. I need to start. You know, it's just now. From now on, I'm gonna see if there's a content pack because I only have base game and University Life. I'm working on getting Island Paradise because mermaids. I love mermaids. I'm gonna get Finn from Mermaid Tale for my birthday. Just all day at the races because it's so pretty. So pretty. Guys, it's beautiful. Okay, this one. It won't work. Guys, let's just hit that button. Let's just hit that button. Let's hit that button. What? I'm really weird. I'm gonna have to get it. And then I was just talking to myself, guys. Stretch. That's really weird. That was really weird. Camp! I'm so weird. I love it. Ow! I'm sorry, guys. I'm crazy. Face cam. Actually, entire Megan cam. Megan cam. The Meg cam. Okay, here we go. Just give me the download button. Click. I'm just gonna click it once. Click it once. Not twice, not 3 times, but just once. Face cam. Face cam. Okay, yeah, that's what happens. First, to work more responses. You don't want that. Stop saying that. Okay, just. I cover this page. Oh god. I think I broke it. Oh, my face cam's freezing. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm sorry. I just click stuff because I'm impatient. Okay. So cool. I've never had 2 custom content things going on at the same time. It's cool. Because I didn't know how to do custom content. But this is how I knew how to, because that's how I learned custom content, by XM Sugar. I just love XM Sugar. Oh my god. I don't think you guys heard that crack. Hopefully you did not, but it hurts so bad now. Oh, 2 seconds left! 2 seconds! So cool how in face cams, I'm using my left, it looks like I'm using my right, now I'm using my left. It looks like I'm using my right. Wait, now I'm using my right. No, it looks like I'm using my left. What the heck? Guys, I'm breaking this so bad. It's just things for downloading. Oh, it's traveling an ad. It usually pops up, a little thing. Cause I'm using Google Chrome. So, yeah, you guys choose if you want Internet Explorer or not. That's up to you. I like Google Chrome because it's faster. And it's working. That didn't work. Exchange. While we wait for the little thing to pop up, was at the bottom. So it's not going to show it to you guys because this one, it lets you show as much screen as you want, and you won't be able to see that much of the screen. Oh, here it is. Can't see it, guys. It's there. So then I just click the button and I hit open, and then the computer does the rest for me. So I don't have to. So I don't have to get baffled. But baffled. Oh my gosh, Belle would look adorable in that. I had to favorites so I could make sure there's no expansion pack. Ooh, not enough. That's how I do it, guys. It's not usually how I do it. I like that. I use that for other people. Weird people. I use it for weird ones. Oh, it's almost done! Oh god, my eyes tearing. My eyes are tearing right now. Well, they're watering. I don't have anything. I'm not crying because I don't have anything to cry about. I have a great life. Oh god. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. I'll have some lots. I've never had webcam before, guys. I'm just excited. Well, I have, but I've just used webcam and was using the screen. Oh, I have to hit items. I forgot. Oh, dang it won't work. Because I don't have Sims 3. Katy Perry Switch Fruits, I want that. I love Katy Perry. She's my favorite singer. I don't have that. Once I get that pack, I will. Okay, that's weird. Let's do we're looking at clothing. Sorry, folks. Classic French dress. One. Okay, when it says this exchange item contains stuff packs or something, guys, it doesn't always mean it actually has a pack, expansion pack. It could just mean Sims 3 base game, but I don't have Little Adventures, and I don't really want Little Adventures. So wait, I don't want to remove it from my favorite. Maybe I'll change my mind in the future. You don't know. No one knows. Unless you're unless you can see the future, tell me if you can see the future. Maybe I will. Or if you guys just comment that you want it, I'll do it. Because I'll do it for you guys. And what the heck? Oh, my thingy should be done. It takes so much time to install something. So, I'm trying to do this at once. This is kind of not how you should do it. Kids, do not do this. Let's just try to re-download this. Because on Sims 3, Sims Resource, literally, because Sims Resource has Sims 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, if you have any of the games, you could totally download custom content from here, if you want. So I'm going to try it again, because I had two things running at the exact same time. Two things trying to download at the exact same time. You should not do that. Don't. Okay, seriously, guys, isn't that just so pretty? Pretty headband with curls. Oh, maybe I should change back to this. Now, fake around, because I got her from the exchange. Download. Okay, let's just go to the exchange of clothing. Excuse me. Sorry. Let's look for a Belle dress. Let's look for Belle. I like how it looks like. Belle dress.
Meg, I'm just going up.
Okay.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Alright,
Okay.
I'll just be upstairs. make a cup of coffee. Okay?
Yellow. Actually, let's take the yellow ball down. Yellow ball gown. Gender female. I just like to really narrow it down. Oh dang it. All time. Blah blah blah. I know my nose is really red. I know it's I feel kind of warm, but I'm okay. My eyes watering again. Gender female. Age of young adult. Category of any. I don't want to be picky. Too picky. And it's an outfit, which means dress in a sense. I'm sorry if I'm leaning in. I'm weird. Also, I'm trying to see it better. Okay. Oh, Sims Resource. Almost done. No, it's not. Apparently. Okay. Okay, that's weird. That is weird. Oh, what's that? Pretty Fairy Evening Gown. It's too short for my taste. Dainty white gown. We'll add that to our favorites. So weird. I don't know where to look. We like this. Red Oscars gown. Yes. We shall add that to our favorites. See if we can get it. That's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. No, Regina would. Oh no, Regina would not look good at that. Still no. I know I was only gonna shop for Belle, but oops, now I'm not. Let's go to the next page. Oh, here we go. Open my little thing. Yep. God, it's beautiful! You know what? I might. Wait. I'm just gonna add that to the game. Launch application. Commoner French gown. That's nice. And these don't cost any money. You just download. It does not cost you money. I like to say buy because it feels cool. It feels cool. Ew. And I like that. I like that. If I had to go to a really weird party, that is what I'd wear. Okay. Off to my page to see if we can put them in. Oh, this happened again. Oh, I hate when this happens. Okay. Trying to do something over here. Almost done. No, it's not. It's not. I'm just gonna lay down like this. Sorry, I'm lazy. It's kind of late. Internet. Can I get it or can I not get it? Items. Well, it's been 20 minutes. Wow. I got it. Oh, dang it. Store items. I don't have that. Cause I can't buy store items. I don't plan on buying any of these sim points, so bye bye. Da 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 da. Commoner French gown. Hashtag so weird. Oh, I hate this. Hate that. New favorite? The sensory powers. Okay, we're almost done. We're halfway through. I just checked. Halfway through. Once that downloads, you will see both ways. But usually it works. So you should always check, guys. So I'm going to show you both ways. So you just saw the Sims resource. And now we're going to try and find something I can download. It actually just works the same way, except it's just different websites, actually. But I'm still going to finish the video. I'ma still finish the video. Oh, that's just weird. Dainty white gown. I'm not gonna end this video until I get some sort of blue exchange. Lucky Heather. Okay. Oh, this is perfect. We got this. The Sims 3. Okay, we'll get it once this is over. It's installed. So, what should we do? Guys, let's search the web for stuff. So guys, if there's any other expansion or stuff packs you want me to get that's on a CD, or DVD, whatever you want to call it, comment it down below. Okay. Let's search Google. Let's Google it up. Done yet? Not done yet. It's done yet, guys. Let's check it. Okay. First, we're gonna search up the Sims 3. The Sims 3. What? Island Paradise. Island Paradise. Did I say CD or DVD? I'm gonna say DVD. I'll make sure it's on a DVD. That's Monte Vista, University Life, World's Bundle. World's Bundle? It says $8. Like, which one does it have? Celebrities in the rich. Let me actually look. Oh, how about this? It worked. All those packs are installed. Done. Okay. That's done from Sims Resource. So, Dainty White Gown is a go. Launch application. There we go. Dainty White Gown install. There we go. Then the rest of it does it for me. Sims 3 World Bundles. That does not say. We're just gonna go back. Actually, guys. Okay, sorry guys. Sorry. Add this one. Right here. Just let's expansion bundle. What's 3 plus season? Okay. Island Paradise. But that's not what I'm looking for. Oh, look. Okay. Any more? Any more? Oh, let's just look on eBay! Like, how could I be so stupid? eBay. eBay. Second the word. And I'm Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Oh, great, now. So I sign in, but I don't want you guys to see my email address. So, okay, so the Sims 3 Island Paradise. Ow. It hurts because I cracked my finger. Oh wait, let's just look on Target. I don't want email list. We should just look on. Let's just go to Target.com. Target.com. Oh, we're not done yet. Because it's Mother's Day. Because this weekend's Mother's Day. Yeah. The Sims 3 Sims 3 Island Paradise. I'm Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Sims 3 Frozen. So right here, this is cheap. Oh, it's online only. It's online only. It's online only. So, Sims 3 Island Paradise. Wait, is this software download? But I want the CD. I want the CD though. I want to get the CD. So, I guess we'll have to check it out on your stuff. Okay, I'm just going crazy at this point. It's almost done, okay, guys? Chip spray. Software download. That's the problem. I don't want to download. You know what? Installation failed. You know what? I'm done. I'm just done. Goodbye, guys.